Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you an overview of the Theatre Manager. The Theatre Manager will help the practice manage their theatre bookings. Bookings can be made on a diary and the user can print or download the theatre list based upon those bookings. The practitioner can either keep a separate diary for theatre bookings or block out the times for theatre in their regular daily diary. The user should enable and configure the Theatre Manager and theatre bookings in the settings before creating the theatre list for the theatre bookings to appear on the diary. From the diary screen, click on the Theatre Manager tab on the navigation bar. The Theatre Manager screen will open. We will now go over the various fields on the Theatre Manager screen. From is the specific date from which the user would like to filter the theatre list. Click on the From field to open the date picker. Select the desired date from which the theatre list will filter. 2 is the specific date to which the user would like to filter the theatre list. Click on the To field to open the date picker. Select the desired date from which the theatre list will filter. Click on the Refresh button to refresh the theatre list screen if changes were made to any fields. Click on the Add Theatre List button to create a new theatre list. The Theatre List Work Overflow event screen will open. For more information on how to add a theatre list, please refer to the following Create Theatre List Step 2 user manual linked in this video's description. The Theatre Bookings for Select the Theatre List section will show theatre bookings that have been made and linked to specific theatre lists. For more information regarding theatre bookings, please refer to the following Book Theatre Patients Step 3 user manual linked in this video's description.